day garage. It has been ages. Right here in front of us, we have the drift car. Round one's already been of this year. I put in a couple little clips right here. So I brought all my gear to film and then went out for practice and couldn't be bothered setting up the camera. Hopefully rest of the season I might do, maybe with Matt Siri, but car feels awesome now. Cammed, 18 pound, E85, makes over 500 easy. It's a weapon, but I have EcoTec front coilovers because the Max Snappy Boys snapped on me. Right in this box here, we got new front coilovers. And we have gone with some BC Racing with a custom 10 kilo spring on the front. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to get them in. I do not have a sway bar in and I'm not going to bother putting it in yet. But after that we have new turbo manifolds to go on, which I won't do this round, I'll do after next round. And we have a new motor which will go in at some point. We have a forged motor here, the front intake. I might put EcoTec manifolds on. Otherwise I had manifolds that came off this that I got to fix up, and if I do that I've got an alternator relocation bracket. Got to move the alternator down there so it will look the part. These rocker covers here are actually spares and I do need to sell them, so hit me up if you want to buy them. But for now we got to get this jacked up, wheels off, and start to take off EcoTec stuff and put it in. I do have rocker covers to put on these, which are here, the fittings. So I've got some new lines and fittings to these, because this one will not coming around to here, so I can do all that. But yeah, let's jack it up and get on with it. Alright, now that that's all done, I'm going to get all my tooling set up. I'm going to set up the springs and everything where I think I need to be. I won't film that for you guys, we'll just come back when we go to install it. So we'll see you guys soon. Alright, got your tools, 22mm spanner, 24mm socket for the top, 19mm for the bolt. Got no sway bars, so don't worry about that. I don't think you guys care to watch that again, so let's do the old Jimmy Oaks classic. That was weak. Alright, they're all in. Let's lower it down and we'll do the measurement test either side to see what height it's at. So let's get you guys. Oh, it wasn't too bad where it was. Lower you guys down. Oh yeah, might have adjusted it a bit too high. she needs to come down. But I'll get a measurement and see how far down I want it to go. I'm gonna try get it to settle, and then back up it goes. Wind the coils, the bottom strut in, and then we should be good. All right, a lot of time has passed. I stopped filming earlier, got distracted, but anyway, coilovers are in. A lot of people are thinking that's high, but for a drift car, that's actually the perfect, well, in my opinion, the perfect height there. It still looks good, looks high on camera, looks funky in person, it looks good, but that allows me to be full lock and it's not going to destroy the guard or the guard destroy the tire, more importantly. Yeah, so I do want to raise the rear a bit as well, because that is a touch low. Just even it out a bit. I want it to sit just above the tire, because then when I put some wider tires on it, I don't have to worry about it rubbing, especially when it squats, which it does every time you clutch kick and it grips up. One thing I forgot to mention, round one didn't actually go too well. What was it? Handbrake line and rear brake line wrapped around my axle and snapped. So I actually have all new lines in here that I picked up from someone that was wrecking them locally. So that might be tomorrow's job. But in the meantime as well, also got the new rocker couplers on. So now the fittings for the breathers go in here. This one here, I've just got to get a different fitting. I ordered a 90, but I didn't like it. It came up too high, so I'm going to go to 120. And that one will come through a bit like that. Yeah, you might be able to see rocker cover a bit better. There's a fitting there, all cap there. Whereas before I just ran 2 ECOTEC ones with the oil filler neck, like this, and just a $12 oil filter, or not oil filter, oil cap with an AN10 thing on it. Had both of them there. I don't think this one's sealed too well because there's oil constantly everywhere. So that should solve that issue, hope. It's the main thing. It was just that side leaking. It's always making the engine bay smoke. Let's have a look. What else is? That's about it really. This is probably a short video because it's Friday night now, so I'm going to get this edited and uploaded so I have a video for Saturday, the usual day. We'll see, maybe I might get another video filmed before I go back to work, so you guys have something next week. If not, I'm going to try to get back into regular videos. Once I do get the motor for EcoJet and when I start doing a new chassis for this, which is all in there, then the videos will be pumping out regularly. But at the meantime, just been focusing on the dyno, change locations, got that all going. I've got a million customers, I'm getting booked out every single time. So just been focusing on that. Heaps more been done in the backyard, that's robbed a lot of money as well. But yeah, but stock bottom NL67, still loving life. And yeah, I do have a forged motor for it. I've said it before, but I do have a forged motor for it here. EcoJet's turbo manifolds, which I might leave on here and put all in the car, we'll see. I'm not 100% sure yet. Found a socket on there. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been a while. Used to be a YouTuber, not a YouTuber anymore. If you're still here, appreciate it. As per usual, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys when I next see you. So, catch you later.